Snapchat camera not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix if your Snapchat camera is not working, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. So let's say you open up Snapchat and for some reason your camera is not working, both the front camera as well as the back camera. You can just try to check them if they're actually working or not, and let's say for some reason they're not being able to work. What you can try to do is check if the Snapchat app has access to the camera. So whenever you try to open Snapchat, it will ask you for the access. If it doesn't have an access, then you can try to enable the access. Or what you can do is you can do this process manually by simply opening the settings on your Android phone, then simply going to the option known as apps and then tapping on it. When you go to apps, simply search for the application called Snapchat and then open it up. When you open Snapchat, go to permissions, go to camera, and now set this to allow while using the app. Once done, come back to your Snapchat and you should be able to use the camera. If it doesn't work, also check if your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.